we are on our way to Tokyo. And he lied to me. He said the flight is 7 hours and it's 9 hours.
You might get lucky. It might be 8 hours.
Bathroom I think I've ever been in. Look how small this tub is. For size reference, kind of next to the bed.
6 foot, 6 foot.
No, not 6 foot. It's 66 degrees and it's very, very comfortable. We're finally reunited. They gave us 4 chopsticks, and Kai got so lucky. The last vegetable.
How many too much? It's 1 out of 30.
Oh my god. Totally went the wrong way outside of the Shinkansen. We went right and we're supposed to go left. So now we went all the way back left, trying to find the platform for the local train. That took like 20 minutes, I think, of being lost. We're on the wrong train. Update, we're at the right station now and we got to Kyoto an hour ago, so we've been lost for an hour, but I think we have it right this time. So we finally made it outside. Didn't want to look at the map. We have to go down there. So, just kidding. The Imperial Palace is closed today. It's closed on Mondays, and today is a Monday. And the wisteria is inside the palace. So, we're gonna change plans and do the botanical garden, which we're supposed to do tomorrow, and then we'll come back here tomorrow, I think. Kai's a little stressed out because I told him to plan this trip because I planned last trip, and he's feeling the heat, I think. We made it to the botanical gardens. It's very hot. Just found these cute purple ones. They're kind of fuzzy looking, and they have like this nice pretty pattern, and there's so many of them. We found cherry blossoms. We thought we were too late, but there's some left. We're here for Thisisshizen and Lelabo. Flavor, and then this one, the purple is sweet potato, black is black sesame, and the blue is butterfly pea tea, I think. It's so pretty. Kai's scared it's gonna fall. Oh, I caught it! I caught it! I caught it!
So good.
Yummy. I got another 13, and then I got Liz 41 in the 15 milliliter, and then they had the matcha in a body cream or body lotion, and I've never seen it in a body lotion form. Like, it's always the unscented ones. So we picked up the matcha. Onsen tub is huge, and then we have some skylight at the top. Wow! We finally checked into our hotel in Kyoto. I'm so happy to be here after such a long travel day. Honestly, from yesterday to today just feels like one whole travel day, because by the time we got off of the flight yesterday, sent our luggages and went to sleep, we literally had to wake up in like 5 hours to catch the Shinkansen to come here, which was like another 2 hours. So the past day has just felt like a big travel day to me. So I'm very happy that we're finally checked into our hotel and we're gonna be here for 3 nights, and I don't have to move my stuff for 3 days. Coming to Kyoto was kind of like a last minute decision. We were planning on just staying in Tokyo for a full 7 days, but we're like, what do we want to do in Tokyo? I don't know, so that's why we are here in Kyoto. But this place is actually very nice. I was a little worried about it because a lot of the hotels I was originally looking at were booked out for these days because we were looking so last minute. It's still beautiful, and I'm very happy that we can just relax and sleep. Ume shiso kimukatsu, cabbage, miso soup, rice. I got gyukatsu and a regular kimukatsu set. It all together now. Pretty good, very refreshing. I taste the coconut, lychee sweetness, and then the matcha is like very creamy. I like it. I have to get it. It's only 438 yen. Oh my god, so heavy. The goods. And this bag. It was only 7,400 yen. That's crazy.
And say how much you love her and how perfect she is, and that
Someone getting visibly upset. I'm extra kid. 7 for 2 days.
Going to breakfast. We're almost there. Here is my fortune. We have to translate it. Good luck. The reason why people who are in this fortune taking are struggling is because they don't have a profession that doesn't work for them. Think carefully and study in search of a suitable job. Wishes come true. It's a lot of job fortune, I think. White chocolate matcha latte. Very thick, has a very nice forward taste of white chocolate, and then like a bitter aftertaste from the matcha. It's very thick. Very good. 400 yen from the little vending machine in there. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's Hello Kitty. I always get Hello Kitty. I got this one. I wanted my melody and kuromi or cinnamon roll. But I guess, okay, matcha Hello Kitty, not bad. Sorry. We just finished chopstick making. It was a lot more physically involved than I expected. It took 2 hours-ish.
Almost, yeah.
Almost 2 hours to do it. And now we're on our way to Four Seasons for afternoon tea at 4:30. And it's 3:53. And I think we're cutting it close.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're on time. These are all the savories, and then here's all the sweets. I think this one is Sakura Anko Mont Blanc, Yuzu meringue and lemon cream tart, Sakura Anmitsu and fruits, Matcha and Monaca chocolate, and strawberry and Sakura cherry jam gyuhiro. Then down here, I think this is the Wagyu beef and Nanohana yuba roll. Fresh onion potage, but no onion for me. This is Spanish mackerel fritter with saffron sauce. And then Sakura shrimp and bamboo shoot onigiri right here. That's my best guesses. Today, top is from Muji, skirt is from Muji, socks are from some store in Osaka, and then my shoes are from ABC Mart in Tokyo. We are about to head out to dinner. Not really dinner, but more like snacky food or maybe like takeout if we can find any. We're gonna go to Nishiki Market. And we're also going to stop by the pharmacy on the way back because we finally got our luggages shipped to us that came from the airport. Here they are. But every time I've been coming to Japan, my luggages have been getting broken. So this one, the lock here is broken now. And last time, this one got broken. There's like a crack on the side, so we like eat 6,000 it and put tape on it. Our luggage stitch is not looking too good. I changed to a small bag because I don't want to be carrying my big bag around. And then, oh, and I changed my lip color. This is the lip for tonight.
Yeah.
Newly.
To me.
Very pretty. I got this one in December and I haven't used it yet, so. Pretty. We're gonna go. And this is my new pin. We got it this morning from Kiyomizudera, one of the temples over there. I just like popped in. It said made in Kyoto. So hopefully it is because I believe them and I bought it, but I don't know, maybe it was a tourist trap. Who knows? There you go. I told him this morning I think it's gonna be closed in the nighttime, but alas, it's closed. Interesting. last order at 8:30. Very cloudy, rainy today. Good morning. It is our last day here in Kyoto. Today our plan is to go to Gion and do some shopping. The one store I want to go to is the Miffy Gion store and do a little bit of shopping there. And then we kind of passed by it on the bus yesterday and there's a lot of shops, so we're just gonna wander around and get lost, I guess. And then we're gonna go to Nishiki Market in the afternoon because this guy back here, I told him if we went in the nighttime, it would be closed, and he took us in the nighttime and it was closed. So we're gonna go again in the daytime and hopefully things will be open. We're gonna head out because it's, what time is it?
10:12.
It's 10:12. We had a very late start to the morning because Kai was exhausted last night, knocked out. So we decided we'll just have a nice slow morning because our original breakfast time was 7:45, but we asked them to change it to 9 o'clock. 9:15 actually, so we got to sleep in a lot more. So cute. Look at the little wisteria. Hi. Do some bus stop. Did it? What did I get? Ooh. Okay, I can't read it, but wait. I'll get one of each. So cute. Kimono Miffy. Cute. Should we get that? Oh, 70th anniversary today. Oh my god, yes. Just finished shopping at the Miffy store, Miffy Gion. We spent, what time is it? About an hour in there. They opened at 11. $341 later. It's busting out of the bag. Thanks for carrying it. Oh yeah, they taped everything. And now we're just walking the streets of Gion. So nice. Alright, some so happy that they had the Miffy 70th anniversary goods. I got a big Miffy 70th anniversary plushie, and then I got 2 handkerchiefs and some gifts too. So happy. I don't even know what to call it. Kind of a yakitori, kushikatsu, udon, yakisoba kind of place. We have a mix of everything in here. Vibes. Vibe check. Vibe check. And I'm very aware that we're getting ripped off. I'm trying to do a niku tempura udon for 1,700 yen.